Hi guys, this is Property Titus Slim. Today I'm at Dairy Farm Residence and I have a 3-bedroom unit, 936 square feet to show you. Dairy Farm Residence TOP in 2024 and it's a mixed development. From your unit, you have direct access to the mall's facilities which includes NTUC, lots of coffee and cafe, an enrichment center and a food hall and FBT gym. What is so special about this unit is that we face the nature reserve. After a long day at work, you can come home. There's lots of greenery around. You can see the landscaping is beautiful, and when you come home to the balcony, you have a beautiful view of the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I don't think there's many developments in Singapore that offer such a view. So if you'd like to take a look at this unit, call me. I'm Property Titus Slim. Enough of me talking. Let me show you the unit. Let's go.